Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to verify your account to redeem codes in Roblox Rivals in a simple and clear way. First, open Roblox and make sure you are logged into the correct account that you want to verify. Now, launch the Rivals game and wait until you reach the main menu. Look for the Settings or Redeem Code section, but if it asks for verification first, you need to complete your account setup. Go to your Roblox account settings in the browser or app. Make sure your email address and phone number are added and verified. You will receive a code. Enter it to confirm your details. Next, enable two-step verification if required, as some games only allow code redemption on verified accounts. After your account is fully verified, return to Rivals and try entering the redeem code again. If everything is done correctly, the code should work without any issues. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.